Welcome to How to Grow Potatoes Step by Step. This easy method is perfect for raised beds and small gardens. Let's get started on your potato growing journey. Here's a step-by-step guide for growing potatoes tailored for home gardeners in USDA Zone 7A, like you. Step 1. Choose the right potato varieties. Select from early, mid, or late season potatoes based on your harvest goals. Early varieties, which take 60 to 80 days, include Yukon Gold and Red Norland. Mid-season varieties, which take 80 to 100 days, include Kennebec and Red Pontiac. Late-season varieties, which take 100 to 135 days, include Russet Burbank and German Butterball. Step 2. Purchase certified seed potatoes. Buy from a reputable nursery, not store-bought eating potatoes which may carry diseases. Purchase 2 to 4 weeks before planting to allow time to chit or sprout them. Step 3. Chit the potatoes or sprouting. Place seed potatoes in a bright, cool spot around 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 to 2 weeks. Allow half-inch to 1-inch green sprouts to grow before planting. Step 4. Cut and cure, which is optional. Cut large potatoes into pieces with 1 to 2 eyes each. Let them air dry for 2 to 3 days to form a callus, which helps prevent rot. Step 5. Prepare the soil. Choose a sunny location with 6 to 8 or more hours of direct sun. Loosen the soil to 12 inches deep, removing any rocks. Amend with compost or aged manure and a balanced fertilizer, like 10-10-10. Avoid using fresh manure, as it can cause scab. Step 6. Planting. The best planting time in Zone 7A is from late February to mid-March. Dig trenches 4 to 6 inches deep and 12 to 15 inches apart in rows. Place seed potatoes cut side down, eyes up, every 12 inches in the trench. Cover with 3 to 4 inches of soil. Step 7. Hilling. When plants are 6 to 8 inches tall, hill soil around the stems, covering the lower half. Repeat every 2 to 3 weeks, forming a mound about 8 to 10 inches high. This prevents sun exposure because green potatoes are toxic and encourages tuber production. Step 8. Watering. Keep soil evenly moist but not soggy. Water 1 to 2 inches per week and more during hot spells. Avoid overwatering after flowering starts to prevent rot. Step 9. Pest and disease control. Watch for Colorado potato beetle, handpick or use neem oil. Aphids, spray with water or insecticidal soap. Fungal diseases, avoid overhead watering and rotate crops annually. Step 10. Harvesting. New potatoes, 2 to 3 weeks after flowering, dig gently. Full harvest. When plants yellow and die back, usually June to July in Zone 7A, gently dig up tubers with a fork, avoid bruising or piercing them. Step 11. Curing and storage. Cure potatoes in a dark 60 to 65 degree Fahrenheit, well-ventilated space for 1 to 2 weeks. Store in a cool 40 to 50 degree Fahrenheit dark humid area. Do not wash before storage.